So yeah. Hey guys, so Nollywood actress Bimbo Adeboye was caught eating flies by her mom. I don't know what this is, but according to her, she claims this is a traditional Yoruba snack. I've not eaten this before. If you know what this is, please kindly let me know in the comment section below, because from the look of things, she's definitely enjoying this ants or what, I don't even know what to call it. She's definitely enjoying herself with the snack, according to her. Okay, please kindly let me know what this ant or fly, I don't know, is called in the comment section below. And please, I beg you, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Oh, lest I forget, I also added some of the videos where she shared some fun moments with her dog, and I know you would definitely enjoy it. All right, especially the one that likes following men, according to her. Okay, so I know you definitely enjoyed the videos. Please, and don't forget to give me thumbs up. I beg you, don't forget to share this video as well, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel as you enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you. So yeah.
You're eating flies.
I have taken my.
It's good though. It tastes good actually.
I know.
Only the outfield. Only no one.
Mommy, you made it for us. So
I didn't make it for you. I made it for myself. And you came to the room. Everybody in this location. They all said it's everybody is eating ants. Some will say ants. I know what I'm eating.
Where you going, Mom? Okay. So
She wants to eat a chishode.
hold on, I'm trying this for the first time. It's a bug.
It's not a bug. It's a chishode. She wants to eat that fly that has green bottom. Can you only hear my voice? Solange Wale is talking.
Hold on, look at what Mom made for me.
No,
it's a bug.
I know what I gave her. She's eating a shishode, the one that has the green bottom.
Alright, okay, come here. Come here. Did they give them that? Come. Hi. Good girl. Come here. Come here. Come here. Why does she not like to? Like her. Hi, buddy. Hello. Hi. Hi. What's up, boy? Hey. Good dog. Rolake. She. Sarah. Sarah, come. Sarah. Rolake. Sarah, come here. Rolake, come.